Let's have a look at our built-in messaging system. In the navigation bar above, select Inbox. In the chat room, on the left side, you can see all your active conversations. On the top of the conversation list, you can find an inbox filter where you may see your unread, starred, or archived messages. Next to the inbox filter, you can search for existing conversations by keywords or by the name of the manufacturer you're looking for. Next to this, you can see the name of your project as a title of this conversation and the services you require for this project. Moving on to the right side, you can search for information in this conversation by keywords, view attachments, or switch on sound notifications when receiving new messages. On the right side of the chat room, you can see the participants of selected conversations. The lower field is dedicated for composing messages. To send a message, click on the arrow sign. Now let's have a look at the small icons menu, right of the reply field. Click on the pound icon. Here you can either request a quote or release funds to a manufacturer, in the case of split payments. Click on Request a Quote, choose a company you would like to receive a quote from, and then choose the project you would wish to receive a quote for. Click on Send. Let's have a look at the parcel icon. Here you can add shipping details of the parcel you're sending, so the company can stay up to date. Add all the information to the required fields. Click on Send. The last icon is for adding attachments to a conversation. You can send necessary files to share with the manufacturer on the fly. Send a project you wish to receive a quote for, or discuss it in more detail. And send tag packs of the garments you wish to produce. In case you haven't created a tag pack for your project, you can use our built-in tag pack tool to help you get started.